So here's how you can fully delete apps on the iPad. Let me explain that. If you're new here, definitely stay tuned and subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So right now, if you are on the home screen in iPad OS 26, you can hold down on certain applications and click on remove app, which doesn't necessarily mean deleting the app because you can tap on remove and you're getting two options usually. So you can see we can remove it from the home screen or delete the app. And if you click on a delete, that is like the full deletion that doesn't leave anything behind, right? So that's something which you need to click on. Outside of that, there is also the offloading of app, which is also not fully deleting it. Inside of your settings, general, and storage, you can see the breakdown of all of your apps. And if you tap on a third-party app like this, you again have two options, which is offloading and deleting. So you can either decide to remove the app and keep the data or delete it all. And naturally, you need to click on and delete the app to make sure that everything goes away and that you actually fully delete it. And this is basically the whole difference behind it. Some people might believe that if they just offload it, that the app is fully gone, and it's not really the case. But pretty much it's very simple to fully delete apps. Some of them, however, like the built-in ones, cannot be deleted. Like you cannot really delete the settings app or, something crucial like that, but all of the third-party apps definitely can be deleted and managed like that. So I hope it makes sense. I really hope I was able to explain it. Thanks a lot for watching, and stay tuned for more quick tips and straight to the point explanations like this one. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you then.